We are virtually printing money right now, and it isn't always even a shaggy dog story. If you maintain XRP, if you hold XLM, I imply good day. We could even throw in a few other antique coins there too. You should in all likelihood be pretty satisfied proper now, and we have to talk about it. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, every person. My name is Nick. For the ones which might be new to the channel, with a bit of luck by way of the cease of this video, you do become a subscriber. Now, outdoor of that, down within the description under, there's an iPhone 16 giveaway with Viabit. There's additionally a 50% off at the top rate Discord. If you men do need to go take a look at that out, it ends with the Giade of the give up of this month. I suggest study the remaining 7 days on XRP, look on the closing month on XRP. I imply this is insane. Trading quantity up 77%, almost 78%, 21 billion. Also bear in mind XLM trading volume up 143%, 4.2 billion, breaking over 40 cents. I do not even like, whilst we sincerely reflect on consideration on this, like manifestly sure, I've been speaking about XLM, I've been speaking about XRP for years now. You could go and take a look at all of the motion pictures. I truly love XLM, love XRP. I can't help, however, to mention congratulations to those that were watching the channel, were following the channel. I genuinely do suppose that the number one element in this channel that gets me excited is understanding that when I take a look at these charts and I'm seeing these charges up, I understand that a variety of you available are being profitable, lifestyles converting money. That's the issue that continues me going on this channel. I truly love the reality that you recognize people's lives are being modified proper now, and I do suppose that this is going to retain. Now, outside of just the charts, I have been following Fiat Yes, this is the fine manner to examine how much XRP is being traded. Over 3 million XRP being traded inside the past minute. It just goes to reveal you ways crazy the quantity has been on XRP. I suggest study how loopy this chart honestly is. XRP is simply being bought up around the arena. I sense as even though this is clearly like crazier than while we were given XRP as a security. I just suppose that that is something special to witness. It simply is. Now, outside of this, XRP has also been outperforming Bitcoin. It has outperformed Bitcoin so far in 2024. Big shout out to Blockchain Backer for this. And you already know it does go to like, show you like, if we truly take a look at Bitcoin. In case you examine Bitcoin in the closing 12 months proper, just take a short study of the final year on Bitcoin up 164%. Okay, if we take a look at XLM within the remaining month, it's up 326%. XRP within the closing month. 204% inside the final 365 days, Bitcoin is up 164%. We're now not looking Bitcoin. Nobody's in reality looking Bitcoin. If you want to make money, you're not searching at Bitcoin. You're looking at these vintage cash, even as they sit down idle due to the fact you may quick outperform something which you might make on Bitcoin in a completely brief amount of time. Last 7 days, XRP is up 82%. XLM in the ultimate 7 days up 180%. That's outperforming Bitcoin in 1 week for a whole year. That goes to reveal you way speedy this area is sincerely moving proper now. Now, I've additionally been searching at Google Trends. Google Trends for XRP and Bitcoin. It is kind of loopy that you realize proper now a whole lot of human beings aren't in reality searching into XRP. I do consider that that is going to alternate, but what's surprising is how lackluster XLM engagement genuinely is. Nobody even is aware of approximately XLM. So for XLM to be doing those forms of movements goes to expose me that XLM is going to be lots bigger. It's going to move a good deal better as properly, because whilst lots of humans begin looking at XLM, got to recall XLM is also on each single primary trade obtainable. I sense as though the retail FOMO is set to kick in a big way. But we additionally have been hearing loads. You recognize approximately those price movements because they may be very thrilling. I mean, listen, the surges which can be happening during this entire area allows cross lower back to the 7 day. I preserve putting up a spotlight on those tasks due to the fact HDRA is up 115% within the remaining 7 days. Okay, ADA is up 60%, Mantra is up 59%, Algo up 50% nearly, QT up nearly 50%. I imply we're literally printing cash right now. And it is this exactly why I started telling you men, just be patient. I am becoming so much hate. In 2024, from like kind of April, all the manner through the summertime, through September, even October, and even the start of November, I changed into getting a ton of hate. However, this is exactly why I hold telling you men be patient. The largest actions in the marketplace haven't begun to manifest. And now we're starting to witness a small little piece of it. XRP is on a tear up kind of 30% inside the beyond 24 hours. At the time of writing this, XRP is presently sitting at $1.46. Could we see the cryptocurrency break $1.50 or maybe $2 by using the cease of the day? And guess what? It broke $1.50. Guess what? It's over $1.60. I suggest from the factor that it genuinely broke, take a look at this actual brief. I just want to display you guys. This became at 7:10 p.m. Yes, I'm recording this a bit in advance inside the day. By the time that this goes live, I'm certain XRP might be going to be plenty better. But this changed into 7:15 p.m. at $1 roughly 51 or so. Guys, this is 7:37 p.m., $1.62. It's like this is how rapid the marketplace is absolutely transferring right now. And also Anthony Welfare, recent worker at Ripple, he has left obviously, but we've got right here, as I've said some weeks ago, the exceptional matters come to individuals who wait. Enjoy the ride and catch up to where an XRP rightly belongs. On September 21st, 2018, I took the screenshot and XRP turned into variety of marketplace cap. Can we overtake ETH this time? Exciting times beforehand. And if we virtually observe XRP lower back in a path 2018, yes, XRP changed into the Y variety 2 largest assignment by using marketplace capitalization. Right now, XRP is shifting up the ranks. I believe it virtually simply flipped BNB, or it become close to, it genuinely flipped BNB market cap is better. It's now not flipping it on CMC because it hasn't updated, but I do agree with that. We quickly come for Solana, after that, sure, I do believe that we're going to target Ethereum. But the component to focus on is that XRP and XLM pass vary just like every other. Okay, I've shared this so generally within the Beyond. We clearly evaluate with XLM in this chart, simply to fast show you guys real brief on how comparable those move. Yes, XLM is outperforming XRP presently. That's completely everyday. It's took place in many instances inside the Beyond, but if we honestly study the ultimate 12 months in the all-time chart, you can see how you recognize a good deal. They're very similar in phrases of price movement. So if we are speaking about XRP flipping probably Ethereum, think about how excessive XLM is going to be as nicely at that time. So if that is the case, things are about to get very exciting, very rapid. Okay, now also Credible Crypto speaking approximately how the USD pairing XRP monthly RSI is set to enter overbought territory for the first time in 3 years. This is bullish AF. Contrary to famous notion, the higher our fast is going, the stronger momentum is, and the more bullish a coin is absent, undergo divergence. And like every other form of TA, the better the TF, that is on the more large its miles. So the better the time frame, aka like weekly, month to month, and many others. The greater sizable this surely is. This is on the monthly chart. So this is simply very enormous. The subsequent target is $2, and after that we move for a new all-time high. And sure, I do trust that is the case. I trust that we are getting very near to that. You recognize new all-time excessive territory due to the fact, although we study XRP dominance, that is surely breaking out of that. You recognize fashion line that I shared with you guys going all the way lower back to love 2019 or so. Remaining time that we are buying and selling above this fashion line, multiple instances in history, this changed into lower back whilst XRP were given deemed not a safety. This become while we got the information of XRP as a security proper returned in 2020. But we're beginning to break out right here, taking place a huge bull run. So now that we're truly breaking out of this fashion line, I do question how high is that this component going to go. Are we going to stop at the 2023 highs of roughly 4%? Are we going to prevent at the 2020 highs of roughly 6%? Or are we going to move lots higher to retesting 10% for an instance, which is just like the midline? This is like going all the way again to June of 2015 as an example. Or are we going to retest the 2017 to 2018 highs? We don't know precisely wherein this is going to go, but I will say this right